Hey saxophones, so we are going to do some work on our mouthpiece and our neck. Okay, so we've put our reed on already. We remember that there's a small sliver of black showing across the top of the reed. Okay, when we do that, we want to make sure that we find where our bottom lip's going to go. So we slide that piece of paper in here, just like this. I put my thumb on the bottom, and that's where it's going to rest on my bottom lip. Okay, now we want our bottom lip to go over our bottom teeth. Our top teeth are just going to go sit gently on top, just like this. Okay. And we're going to hold our instrument out like this. We're not going to hold it down like this. We're not going to hold it up like this. We're going to hold it just down a little bit from our face. When we form our embouchure, Mr. Mahaney taught you we, two, right? So we're going we pull our corners back, and then two. We put our lips forward in front, and we go over top. Okay, we're going to do that same thing. We're going to think about where our lips are placed. We're going to put our top teeth on the mouthpiece. And we're going to pull our corners back and seal the reed and the mouthpiece inside of our lips. Now, I'm going to play. We're going to do I play, you play. So I'm going to play for 4 counts. You can hear the metronome running in the back. And when we do this, we're going to play for the same amount of time as I do. I'm going to go, then you will go. When we do this, I want you to make the same exact sounds I do. Okay, if you sound different, we want to try to change something or fix something. It's great to practice in front of a mirror. Okay, here we go. I play, you play. 1, 2, ready? Very nice. So now, when we do this, it's really easy on a saxophone to get a whole bunch of different notes. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example. Okay, so I can make it sound like a roller coaster, and that's by changing the pressure I put and where my air is flowing. So what we need to make sure we do is we keep this nice and firm. We seal everything off in the back, and we're blowing our air right down the center across our reed. Okay. I play, you play. Ready? 2, I play first, and keep that seal. Awesome. So we will see you tomorrow in class. Okay, that is Friday, the 2nd of October. And then we will not see you again until Tuesday. So keep practicing over the weekend. Please remember, do not put this on your instrument yet. We want to make sure we get through all of that together with you before we go any further. Okay, keep practicing on this. This is the steps to becoming an awesome saxophone player. Have a good weekend.